We don't stop till we get to the picnic bench Jinx was on about. We sit on it all in a row, looking out across the valley to the mountain on the other side. Me and Catherine share our sandwiches with Jinx and Tam. She opens a packet of ready salted, peels off the top layer of bread and puts crisps all over the ham. "What are you doing?" Jinx asks. "Improving my sandwich," she says. I make a face, spoiling it more like. Jinx watches her like she's performing some sort of delicate operation. She puts the top layer back on, pressing it down, and the crisps crunch. "What's it like?" he asks. "Try it," she says, offering him the rest of the packet. He has a funny look on his face, like he's torn between curiosity and not wanting Catherine to think he likes her, but he takes the crisps and copies what she did. "Really squash it down," Catherine says. He obeys. When his sandwich is ready, he lifts it slowly to his mouth. Geronimo. I once watched Catherine's baby cousin eat a rusk for the first time. This is a bit like that. Jinx frowns, he chews, he smiles, he nods. He opens his mouth in wonder so we can all see the mushed up mess inside. "Oh, this is lush," he swallows. "Boys, you have to try this. It's mind-blowing." Me and Tam roll our eyes. Catherine takes another big bite of her sandwich, looking very, very pleased with herself.